gorgeous. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today's video, I'm gonna be checking out the Mina the color collection. Basically, the thing they started doing is the color coding. So we have this like a little chart that says which number represents which colors. So I'm gonna be checking out some goodies that I got from Mina from this color coding collection and create a makeup look using that, obviously. Just see what I have in this package. Ooh, oh, I love this double-sided color chart thing. That's how many goodies in here. So I got actually the thing called eyeglass. I don't know, you guys, if you ever seen anything like this before. I never seen anything like this before. It looks like this. Very bizarre. It's like a lipstick. Okay, let's just... Something's happening. Okay, so basically it's a gloss. It's a clear gloss. It's called 100 the eyeglass. I never even heard of it. Another eye product in here I have is 100 the cream eyeshadow. Yeah, basically like a silver eyeshadow. Okay, we can play with this, right? I have a 100 lip gloss, which is basically a clear lip gloss. Then I have the 244 the automatic lip pencil. Looks so good. And I have the 244 longwear lipstick. And then I have exactly the same shade, the 244 lipstick. It's like a lipstick. But exactly the same shade, like a previous one. So exactly the same. Okay, so I think without any further ado, let's try and create a makeup look using this goodies, right? So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna use for my eyeshadow, I prepped and primed my eyelids by the way, concealer and setting powder. I'm gonna use the Mina 100 cream eyeshadow all over my mobile lid. Just gonna use my finger for this as it's a cream. My pinky, and then I'm gonna tap on this. Taking the universal base brush by b.u.beauty. If you don't know this, guys, this is my brand. I created a b.u.beauty. So this brush comes in the essentials ice set, perfect for blending. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna buff this eyeshadow upwards. It's not super intense. This makeup look gonna be like the easiest makeup look ever. Okay, eyes are nearly done. We're gonna add this gloss because we just want to try this, right? But first we're gonna go with mascara. This one is by Mina 900 as well. I'm just gonna quickly apply this. Let's try this eye gloss. I wanted to apply mascara first because I didn't know how it's gonna work. I kind of like this eyeshadow. I think I need a little bit of the eyeliner to tidy this up. I know, I applied already mascara. I should have done this earlier, but I think I'm just gonna add like a little flick. I'm gonna use Nina 924 hour eyeliner. I'm gonna quickly do the face and then we can finish off the lower lash line and do the lip try with lipsticks. Alright, so I did the complexion, foundation and so on. I actually filmed a video sharing my secret. It's not a secret, it's a new technique that I find out. I don't know why I never used this before, on how to make foundation always look super flawless and last all day and like cover up all the, pores and so on. So I actually filmed a video about this, so it should be already up on my channel, or it's gonna be coming next because that technique is mind-blowing. I literally don't know why I never ever tried this before, because now I'm just using this every day. Okay, back to this video. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm coming back to the Mina 924 hour eyeliner pen. I'm gonna do this in an eye corner. It's like this inner eye corner takes this makeup look to another level instantly. Let's apply a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line and then we can do the lips. Coming back to the same mascara. Okay, mascara is on. Let's do lips. So for the lips, I'm gonna start from the liner. Liner we have is 244, the automatic lip pencil. Let's line our lips. The lipstick, I'm going with 244, the long wear lipstick. Oh, this is like blood red color. Okay. Okay. You know what? I have another Mina lippy, slightly bit darker shade, 250. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. So this one is a long wear as well, just darker shade. So I'm gonna like outline a bit. And the same move. Actually, I like this now. Good mixture of two colors. I think it looks amazing. Okay, next thing what I'm gonna do is the 100 lip gloss. So I don't want to make this dirty, so therefore I'm just gonna use some on the hand first, and then I'm gonna top this up on the lips. Just gonna tap on. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Alright, so the products I tried from Mina, what I will be definitely using is all the lippies. The cream eyeshadow, very easy to use, and once it's dry, it's dry. Like I have oily skin and hooded eyes, so with a lot of cream eyeshadows, I spoke about this before, I'm sure. So with a lot of cream eyeshadows, it tends to crease like immediately. This doesn't do that at all. This glossy, the eye gloss, I'm not too keen on this. I think it's very specific makeup looks if you're going for something very editorial, maybe, like I don't know, but like I wouldn't go using this daily. It's just not for me. But the cream eyeshadow, definitely love it. I tried other shades, so no, it's good. The eyeliner I've been using, that's my go-to eyeliner. I mean, I've been using this all my makeup looks, which you see now. I'm using that eyeliner, so you've seen me using this. So yeah, what do you guys think of this makeup look? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried anything from Mina already, or if this is a brand new brand for you. If you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to press that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more reviews, more tutorials, more makeup tips and tricks like I filmed about this complexion thing? Should be in there already. Yeah, let me know what's your vibe, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a super day, guys. Ciao.